In this video, I'm going to show you how to preview social media on Axiom. Now, of course, first you'll need an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure to check it out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins right now. It has some amazing premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker, a top-notch Twitter tracker, a great P&L tracker. They also have a reward system where you can earn Solana back just with trading. They have a great turbo mode which makes for faster fills, a lot of different filters for your meme coins, the presets where you can just adjust different fees, etc. So again, link down below, make sure you check it out. Here, to preview social media on Axiom, this has now been a new update. So if I go to polls over here, and you'll see that you used to be able to only preview communities over here and these Twitter posts over here. However, they now support the preview of different social media, such as Instagram over here and YouTube, Pinterest, etc. So let me show you how this works. Now, here you will see just below, of course, the name of the meme coin you are seeing over here, you'll see a bunch of different things. So first is going to be when it was created, and then you'll see the communities, etc. And then there's going to be a social media icon. So this one, for example, has Instagram. If I hover over this Instagram post over here, or this icon, you can see it will automatically allow me to preview this post. And you can see how much likes it has. You can even watch it on Instagram, etc. And you can do this for a lot of different social media platforms. So let me see if I can actually find a different one. There we go. We have YouTube over here. If I hover over this, there we go. As you can see, you can then just access the YouTube video right away and just watch it and see if that is something you are interested in. And let's see if there's anything else currently popping up over here, because of course, sometimes there's going to be more, sometimes there's going to be less. You can't really affect this, so it doesn't seem to be anything else over here. But of course, you can also see, I think it's Pinterest, etc. And then you can just hover over it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.